What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, Papa is gonna cook fried chicken for our lunch right over here. And as you can see on the intro, so the chicken that Papa was holding. So we're gonna cook. There's the rest. And also I'm gonna just get this thing. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, it just hit the cannon. Oh my god. Here's all the ingredients to make the fried chicken over here. All for crispy fry, ginasa. This is all the ingredients that we're gonna do, but not all the ingredients. This is only the ingredients we're gonna do for the chicken, fried chicken that we're gonna eat to lunch. And so yeah, we're gonna cook the fried chicken at the stove over there. At the stove. You see that? You see that? This is the stove. Okay. And this is, by the way, the table. This is all the ingredients. And this is ping.
Ping, 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 ping.
This is, yeah, this is that. This is that. Yeah.
Ping, 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 ping. What is this? This is pepper.
That's pepper.
The ground pepper.
The ground pepper.
I put a lot.
You put a lot.
You want some pepper?
Put a lot of pepper.
No,
Put a lot of
don't
pepper.
do that.
Put a lot
Hey.
of pepper.
Don't too makulit.
Okay, I'm gonna put these things on here.
Lisa, why are you so makulit? And this one.
Just so that. Put it all in there.
Okay, you can put it, but don't put all.
Okay.
Okay.
I cannot even put everything. Oh,
Yeah, just like so. See?
oh wait, you can put it everything. Oh my god.
Okay, enough. Too much.
Enough.
No, don't smell it, otherwise you...
So good.
This one also.
I'm gonna put that
This one is
there.
our Spanish paprika.
How is it not?
Oh. No. What?
Oh my god.
Just like this. Very simple.
Okay.
It's not.
Give me this.
Enough.
Give me that. That's enough.
Okay. And then I wash my hand again.
I need to watch my hands also. You can see us guys. Okay, that was very fast. And now we're gonna put the crispy fry.
Later.
Later. Oh my god.
Okay, go.
Huh?
It's fine.
Okay. No, me.
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
That's too much?
Excuse me. No.
Oh, I think
Just
it's...
like this. Oh. Yung kalat.
Yes, of course. The chef said makalat.
You are messy, chef.
Of course, chef said makalat.
Look at that. Then?
Okay, I'm gonna put some more vinegar.
What?
This. Okay, I just put it too much.
Paprika. No, it's okay. And then you can mix it. You can.
Can I put this
Can you do it?
inside?
To mix everything?
Oh my. Can I do
You can?
it?
Yeah. Mix it just like
Oh,
that.
that's
Everything.
so disgusting. That is so disgusting.
Why?
Ah. It's so disgusting.
Mm-hmm.
It is literally disgusting. I need to wash my hands.
No, just mix it everything.
Disgusting. So lambot right now. So squishy. Ah! This is so disgusting.
Hey, what are you doing?
This is disgusting.
Better than like this. I'm gonna show you. It's like this, oh. Mix everything. All the spices are coated to the chicken.
Can I put this inside?
Later. No, separate.
This is disgusting.
Okay.
This is really
And then, oh, one more. Just one more ingredients to be
what?
put here. In,
Ajinomoto?
no. The, oh. You know what is this?
I wanna put it.
Oh, wait! Patis. I can. And
Too
then
much
marinate
patis.
for- Enough, enough.
Why is that enough?
And then,
I'm gonna
Marinate
shake
for-
it a little bit.
2 hours.
Shake it.
Or,
2 hours.
yeah,
2 hours.
or 24 hours for a better taste. 24 hours marination for a better taste. But for us, 2 hours only because we eat this for our lunch.
Okay, now I'm gonna put it here.
No, 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 separate later. Ha? Ang alin? Oh.
You are saying that. Idiot. Idiot.
Don't say bad impression.
I'm gonna shake everything. I'm gonna shake everything.
And
Separate everything and shake everything.
don't play the food. And then I just put a little bit of sugar.
You put a little
Just a
bit
little
of
bit
sugar.
only. And that's it.
So we're gonna play some songs upstairs, and we're gonna wait this to 2 hours. When we're done playing songs, then we're gonna go back and then do some. Are we gonna play songs? Excellent, perfect, pro.
Later.
No, we're
After
gonna.
we're gonna go through after lunch.
What? You said it's gonna be 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
Let's play now. Before we were gonna wait 2 hours.
No, we're gonna wait 2 hours and then we're gonna take a bath. And then after we take a bath, we eat our lunch. And then that's the time we play. Okay?
It's literally almost 2 hours. Why are we need to play? I want to play. Why does no one wants to play with
Okay,
me?
let's continue to cook this.
Yay. No, I don't want you to take care of the camera.
Come here.
No, I don't want
See,
to.
this is the flour. I just put a little bit more paprika and salt. I'm gonna mix all the ingredients here.
I don't want to mix. Oh, I want to mix
Okay,
that.
go. Where's the wallet of your mom? You get the wallet but empty. Empty wallet.
What empty?
everything.
Now mixing everything.
Very good. And we're gonna go up again. Egg.
Oh, it's gonna get some eggs, okay? I'm a professional chef right now, Papa. Oh, I'm doing kind of great. I'm making like a pyramid. Okay.
A separate bowl. We can put the egg here.
Oh, I can eat it.
I use only my one hand to
Oh,
open and to
I'm
crack
gonna
it.
do this.
No. One is enough. This is for you. Hard-boiled egg later. If you want to eat hard-boiled egg.
This
Okay.
is disgusting.
Chicken, I dip into the egg. Just like this. See? Just like that. Where's our tissue?
That is it. That's the carbon.
Pasawa yan.
Why are you
So, since this is
saying?
my wet
Why are
hand,
you saying bad
I put
words?
it into the flour. Though. See, this is the dry hand. So I just cover all the wet
So disgusting. That is so
ingredients
disgusting.
with and that's the time I use my bare hands to coat all.
You know, I want a kutsara.
To coat. This is the kutsara. You can use this. You can use this spoon siya. Go on. Kutsara for what? I told you. See? Oh, so
Okay.
this one.
I'm literally hungry and you're not helping me.
See,
What
this is the
kind of
spoon.
adult are you? Come on, give me that.
Wait, I just wash my hand.
Then I'm just gonna,
How many spoon you need?
you know,
Oh,
one.
oh, see? What you want?
Ayun, 7 more.
So, same procedure. Wet hand, dip into the egg wash, the chicken, and put into the flour.
I don't like that.
What are you doing? Making a sandwich? Mama, can you please hold the camera and show videos for while he's okay, like that.
Son, look. He's making sandwiches. You see? Yeah, see? 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 Okay, let's continue.